just finished my third and last treatment. I didn't realise I had such a bad snoring problem. I was always tired, very fatigued during the day, found it hard reading to my granddaughter. I'd feel tired while I was reading stories to her. So I came and started the treatment. The first treatment was fantastic. I came home and with very little discomfort. I came home and from practically the first time onwards I was sleeping much better. My husband didn't realise he was affected by my snoring, but even he is sleeping much better now. Second treatment was a lot easier, very little discomfort at all, and now the third one, I am happy it's all over, but I am happy that my quality of life has changed so much.